I'll show you how to use the Canva Logo Maker easily. Alright, and if you don't have an account, I'll drop the link in the description box. You can click on it and sign up. So when you log in, you're gonna have a dashboard similar to this. Alright, so now we need to look for the logo template. If you don't see it here, just click on this, see more. Alright, so this is the logo, which is 500 by 500 pixels, so click on it. Alright, so I'm gonna show you 3 ways to do this. First, how to use your image. Image, go to photos. In your case, you can use your image. So please don't use an image if you don't have the right to do so. Alright, but I'm just using this as an example. So let's say right click. No, this one, I like this one. Right now, this kind of dog breed is easy to find, so I'll use it. Right click, copy image, go back, control V, paste it. All right, so that's how you paste your photo. It could be your photo or your pet photo or whatever. So right click, set image as background. So there we have it. Or if not, you can go back by clicking this arrow and just click on the image again, BG remover, which means background remover. Then you have your plain white. That's if you want the background remover. And if you want to add an, so you can click inside the box to add a background color. So let's say black, all right, or whatever color you want to add. You can also choose the gradient. So let's say I want this gradient. All right, so it's up to you. You can play with it and get the image that you want. I think for the sake of this tutorial, I'll keep it like this, but you can do whatever you want. And make sure it's centered, and I'll enlarge it a bit and I'll center again. Now I'm gonna add an outline, so click on edit, scroll down and click on shadow effect, glow, then scroll down and let's say I'll add white. So the code for white is F6 times, all right, or you can just push all the way to white. I can change this to red and you see that, but that's not real, so I'll go back, click on it again just to show you how it works, because this should be white. So sorry, I'll grab it and push it down there, click outside. Oh sorry. All right, so click on it, push all the way for white. Complete white is F6 times. All right, now I'm gonna click outside this box and I'll push it all the way to the end, push this out and keep it whatever way you want, but I just want to make it look real, so I'll just take this off. All right, or maybe just 5 is all right. Then I'll add grass underneath, so go to effect and type grass. So let's assume this, okay, something like this. And by the way, this is a pro version, but if you are not on the pro version, when you try to download it, it's gonna prompt you or show you the amount you are owing, then you pay. If not, just go through and find something like free. So you free grass, that's what you type. All right, so just go through and find it, or go see all. All right, some of the features, some of the elements are not free. So what you do, you can go to Google and search for free grass, like grass. All right, so something like this, and you can copy one of them, drop it and take off the background, something like that. But if you want the best, just subscribe to the pro version. It's just $13 a month. All right, if I want, I can push this down and push it all the way up, but then again this is gonna look funny, so I'll go undo. All right, because when you upload your logo, you might not like it gonna be circled or cut the bottom and the top part. That's why I try to place it in the middle. And now if you want to add the name, so let's say I'll add the name and I'll say the pet lab. I'm just pretending this is the name of your business or something like that. So I'll go to effect again, outline, and I'll this time go for white. Scroll down, white, and you can change the font to, let's say I want to go for Alpha Slab 1. All right, so I'll keep it like that. And then again, if you want to be a little bit creative, just go to effect, scroll down and click on curve. All right, so something like this, and that could be your logo, but you can do so much with it. So that's the first part. Now I don't want to open a new Canva window, so what I'll do, I'll click on add page. So I still have the background, but I can change it if I want by clicking on the color palette. But all right, so let's try and create another logo. Or you know what, for you not to be confused, I will just close like delete one, and I want to use another reload, so you're gonna pop here. All right, so right here you can type logo, So logo, this is it. Click on it. And so there are a lot of templates here that you can use, but if you are using the free version, you cannot use most of them. That's why I show you how to create it from scratch. So let's say this one, because I want to show you how to use the letters. So click on it and customize this template, because this is not Pro or Premium, so you don't have to pay. And let's say Blogsdom, I'll say B, then this will be D, or if I want, I'll just go like this and push this into the middle or to the middle and change this. Control A, Blogsdom. All right, then right here, what Blogsdom is all about. So I'll say digital marketing. All right, and I'll push this a bit, so something like this, and make sure it's centered, and I'll just bold it. It's using the Montserrat font and this Bodonai FLF. So something simple like this. Now if I want to change the color of this, I'll just click on it, go to the color palette of here, and I'll use this if I want that, or go for this, or sorry, red, whatever color is this, I don't even know. Yeah, so something like this. And let's say, and if I want to add a shadow or effect, if I want to add outline, I'll go to effect again, click here, but reduce the outline can stand 5, and I'll change this color to this. All right, so now I'm gonna have to push it a bit more, so let's say 25, something like this. And this one too, effect, outline. So this one I'll keep it like that, 50, because this is a small letter. And also this one as well, it makes things pop a bit. So something simple like this. If I want to change the background, click on it, go to the color palette right here, click on it, and let's say I want to change the background to gradient. Gradient always look nice, or this. All right, just keep playing with it, or this. If it's this, then I'll take off this background color, but see, then this doesn't show. So you just have to play with it and know which background color you have to use. So let's see, I'll go with this. Not bad, but it's not cool. All right, so it depends on the color you want to use. So if I'm gonna go with, let's say for instance this one, then I'll take this background off, click on this, and the effect, I'll go with let's say white, click outside the box and push it all the way to the end. But see, it doesn't look nice, so that's why I will go with the one I had before. So keep going back. All right, so this is if you want plain white, which is okay. Or let's say I want to add a circle, so go to element and type here circle, or just click it if you see it, and I'll either use this or use that one. It's up to you. Just try and drop it and check which one looks nice to you. All right, so you can play with it and see which one, then you delete the other one. I think I like this one, but let's check one more time. All right, let me delete this for now. You can do whatever you want. Push it down, that's enlarge it. I'll just keep it simple like this. All right, so then in the previous one I didn't show you how to download it. So before you download, please, for SEO purposes, just change the title. So let's say Blogsdom dash logo. That's it. And in most cases I add what the site is all about. So let's digital marketing. All right, so this will help in search engine optimization. All right, so there's one more thing I need to show you. So share, click on download. You are saving $1.39 on premium element, because this circle I use is this one, and it's a pro version. All right, so if you are using the free version, just click here, and this one for instance is free, this is free, then you can use that one. All right, so that's how it works. All right, so let me go back to, so click on share again, download, then after you can download this. All right, but I don't want to do that now. I'll show you the last one. So let me go back. All right, so I'll type logo here again, enter logo, then click on logo. All right, so let's try and find the face of somebody. So to do that, I will, sometimes you can grab one of these and just change things around, but I don't want to use that. All right, so let's use a new blank. So I'll use a create blank because I want to start from the scratch. All right, so let me try and find element. I will try and find the face. Let's see. Oh, no, I'll go with smile. I want photo. And all right, so let me use this gentleman for instance. I will reduce the size a bit. Then instead of right click and set as background image, I would advise you don't do that. So the reason being is sometimes when you upload it on your website or YouTube or whatever, it's gonna cut part of it. So I will show you the box. You see the box here? Just make sure it's gonna fit inside that box. Then after you push it down. So this way it wouldn't cut it. So just like this. If you don't want the background, click on it, remove background, alright, and keep it just the way it is, nothing more. So that's how you use your own image or your photo as background. Then the next thing you have to do, also if you want to change the background color, that's how you use your image for logo. But if you want to change the color, which is the background color, click on the box, click inside the box, click on the color background or background color, go down, and let's say I want to use this, then you leave it just like that. Then next, the name. So let's assume this guy is called, say, Dr. Philip. Then what he does, so let's say dental surgeon. All right, so just like this. So this is the name, this is what he does or his channel is all about, like I said, for SEO purpose. So when people search dental surgeons, your site or article or video, whatever, will pop. All right, it's really helpful. Now the next thing you have to do, click search, click share, download. All right, you know why it says I'm saving this amount. In your case, if you are using the free version, you pay. It's because this guy, I believe, is a pro picture. All right, so I believe this is AI generated photo, that's why. All right, so this is how you use the Canva Logo Maker for your website, for your YouTube channel, for social media, and whatever you want to use it for. You can even use it for your merchandise, book cover, and the list goes on. If you like this video, please don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel, and I'll drop the link in the description box to sign up, or if you want to subscribe to the pro version. All right, take care and have a wonderful day.